Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Remember to subscribe down below, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and yeah, okay, so for the video part, I saw that the 4th of June, which is today, is National Hug Your Cat Day. So I thought to myself, I always hug my cat, I don't need a day for that. But why not make it a whole day just about her? So this whole day, this whole video is gonna be about my cat and me trying to play with her, which should be interesting because if you saw my cat making my cat treats video, you would have seen that she's a very plain cat. She doesn't like treats. We buy her that sachet food, that food in gravy. She doesn't like that. And we bought her toys when she was younger, and she also didn't play with that. So I don't really know why I bought her toys, but I did. So hopefully she'll play with it. I'm gonna show you the toys that I bought her. I only bought like 4, and they are like literal typical cat toys. So this one thing I'm very excited about, it is this, you actually put treats in there, but like I said, I don't have treats. So, or she doesn't really eat treats, whatever. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Okay. So you just put this on there. Please fit, please. Okay. So you put the treats in there, and then there's this little bell, and then I don't know how to show you this, but basically it doesn't fall down. Like you can tap it, and it doesn't fall over. Obviously it's gonna fall over on my hand, but we'll see if she likes that. And then the 3 other toys is just little typical cat toys. We've got this ball with feathers on that she can hopefully play with. I think she'll play with this because what happens is Yanku usually makes a ball out of paper and he literally throws it throws it for her, and she runs after it like a dog, but she doesn't play with it when it just lays there. Like you have to throw it to her the whole time. So I'm hoping because this has a bell inside that it'll like keep her attention and she'll play with it. So it's just this little pink sparkly ball with a bell inside. And then I don't even know why I bought this because I don't think she's gonna play with it, but I wanted to try different toys. So we've got this mouse. This tail freaks me out, to be honest with you, and it squeaks like a dog toy. So maybe if she like steps on it and stuff, it'll not trigger, we don't want to trigger my cat, but hopefully she'll find it entertaining and play with it then. So I'm gonna look for my cat now because she went outside. Okay, so I found Shadow. Shadow, look here. Go Shadow. Do you like this one? She's not very impressed. What about this one? Let me just put you down. What is that? Indian? What is that? She likes the mouse. So many choices. Okay, wait. Let's minimize the amount of toys. What is that? What is that, Shadow? What is that? Shadow, come. Okay, what about this one? We'll take this one away. What about this one? See, that's all she does with toys. There we go. Moi moi. Okay, what about this one? She likes that one. You like that one. Oh, you guys. I don't know if I should be worried that she's playing with a thing with feathers. Do you like that one, Shadow? Do you like that one? Okay, what about the mouse? Step on it. I think she's camera shy. Now this one. See, that's why I don't buy her toys. That one worries me. You only play with this, okay? You don't play with real birds and mice. Okay, Shadow? Whoa. I really think she's camera shy because every time I start recording, she stops playing. Like she'll do that, but as soon as I stop recording, she jumps around and lifts it with her little paws. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Guys, I had a whole meltdown session and he didn't record. She ate the feathers. I don't know where the feathers are. They are clearly bitten off. I thought I did a cute thing to buy her some toys, and clearly I don't know what she thought. Why would you eat feathers? Don't tell me you eat birds. Please don't tell me you eat birds. I'm gonna be sad. Like, she doesn't even want this anymore now. She's like, no, I killed it already. I don't want it. Oh my word, I turned my back for like 2 minutes. I was on the phone with Edgar's. And this is what happens. Where's the feather, Shadow? And she also doesn't like the ball and the bell stuff. She likes the mouse. Oh my word. Yeah, now it's gone. It ran away from you because you're trying to kill everything. I thought I'm being a, a good cat mom, buying you stuff, and you just kill everything. Are you even gonna play with this ball? Guys, I don't know what to say. What is this? Yeah, I see you. Do you like your toys? Huh? Do you like your toys? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you like your toys. Or two of them at least. Yeah. Although one of them is ruined. Yeah, one of them is ruined. They can't see you. They're still watching because of you. Yeah. Okay, so it's apparently bath time now. And then it's gonna be nap time. Because I think she's been awake most of the night. So yeah, she usually sleeps most of the day. So it's gonna be nap time now. Okay, see you soon. See you soon. Okay, so she's still sleeping. Look at that. But we're gonna let it go because today is about Shadow and what she wants to do, right? So yeah, that's happening. Okay guys, just a little update on the day that is supposed to be about my cat. I've just watched 2 or 3 episodes of New Girl, and I don't know if you can see that, but Shadow's still sleeping. She's still sleeping. I wanted to play with her, I wanted to brush her, and I also wanted her to watch some of that cat movies where the fish swims around on the screen, or I don't know, I don't know, but I wanted to do stuff like that. And she's still sleeping. So I'm gonna leave her because after all the day is about her. Sorry, there was something on there. So yeah, I'm gonna leave her for another hour maybe, and then it should be half past 2. Yeah, then we'll watch some cat movies, I think. Guys, it's 2:20, and she doesn't want to wake up. Shadow, you need to wake up. They want to see you do stuff. Okay, so she's finally awake and we're having some movie time. Oh, I love this. Okay, I started it over so that it's a little slower. Oh, not really. But it's less calm. She is still waking up from a nap though. Oh. Don't. Oh. She's looking for them now. Oh, not on the keyboard. Sorry, Shadow. Oh. Please don't break the screen. Wow, there's a lot of fish. Guys, you need to see this. She thinks she's a dog. I'm gonna show you now. Was it? Was a shadow? Oh, now she's not gonna do it. I have never seen a more camera shy cat in my life. She doesn't do anything the way she does when the camera is turned off. I don't know what her problem is, but I'm gonna try a few more times and maybe she will show you how she plays with a ball. She doesn't know I'm recording. But see, that's all she does. She just runs to it. Hoe is het? Ga verder. Ga fetch it. Come, Shadow. Well, at least he saw one time. We should probably be happy about that.
This is een kluwel van.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Nice one.
Shadow!
Shadow, wie zijn? Shadow! Hi, wie zijn? Gaat hij. Ik was bij jou.
Where's the mouse?
Wat is nice? Shadow. Want ik ga.
Okay, I have come to a conclusion. It is 6 o'clock at night and Shadow has either been sleeping or being outside since the last clip you saw. So I think it's safe to say that she's not really a playful cat, and again confirming my hypothesis that she's a plain and simple cat that doesn't want much in life except for food, a place to sleep, and a little bit of love once in a while, although I give her love all the time. But she's happy with little. She is happy with little. Is that the thing? I don't know. So I'm gonna end the video here. I don't think it was a fail. I mean, she did enjoy the toys, although it wasn't really spoiling my cat for 24 hours. Yeah, for the whole day. It was like buying my cat toys and seeing if she likes it. So maybe that's what I'll call this video. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Either way, give it a thumbs up. No one's probably watching this, but comment down below if you are. Please subscribe to my channel. That would really make me happy. I would appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.